What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. What does Alia do every morning? What does Alia do every morning? She wakes up at 7 every morning. She wakes up at 7 every morning. What did she eat for breakfast today? What did she eat for breakfast today? She ate cereal and fruits today. She ate cereal and fruit today. Will she walk to school tomorrow? Will she walk to school tomorrow? No, she will ride her bike tomorrow. No, she will ride her bike tomorrow. Does she like her math class? Does she like her math class? Yes, she loves solving math problem. Yes, she loves solving math problem. Did she study for the test yesterday? Did she study for the test yesterday? Yes, she studied for 2 hours yesterday. Yes, she studied for 2 hours yesterday. Will she play soccer after school? Will she play soccer after school? No, she will finish her homework first. No, she will finish her homework first. Is she talking to her friend now? Is she talking to her friend now? No, she is listening to her teacher now. No, she is listening to teacher now. Does she match TV last night? Did she watch TV last night? Yes, she watched a cartoon last night. Yes, she watched a cartoon last night. Will she visit the library later? Will she visit the library later? Yes, she will borrow the storybook later. Yes, she will borrow a storybook later. Does she go to bed early? Does she go to bed early? Yes, she sleep at 9 p.m. every day. Yes, she sleep at 9 p.m. every day. Where is Alex going this weekend? Where is Alex going this weekend? He is going to the beach this weekend. He is going to the beach this weekend. Did he go to the mountains last month? Did he go to the mountains last month? He hiked in the mountains last month. He hiked in the mountains last month. Will he swim in the sea tomorrow? Will he swim in the sea tomorrow? Yes, he will swim if it's sunny. Yes, he will swim if it's sunny. Does he like building snake castles? Does he like building sand castles? He always builds big sand castles. He always builds big sand castles. Did he take photo last year at beach? Did he take photo last year at beach? No, he forget his camera last year. No, he forget his camera last year. Will he bring sunscreen tomorrow? Will he bring sunscreen tomorrow? Yes, he will pack the sunscreen in his bag. Yes, he will pack the sunscreen in his bag. Is he buying snacks now? Is he buying snacks now? No, he is packing his clothes now. No, he is packing his clothes now. Did he eat ice cream at the beach last time? Did he eat ice cream at beach the last time? Yes, he ate chocolate ice cream. Yes, he ate chocolate ice cream. Did he play volleyball with friends? Did he play volleyball with friends? They will play a game on the sand. They will play a game on the sand.